everything goes besides dressings and like closed beverages that haven't been opened, but anything that can expire soon we get rid of. So these people's mows, all of this kind of stuff gets put on the table, and then once the clock hits after 6, we see if anyone is still here and if we have anything in the fridge, and if so, take it home. If not, we'll throw it away for you. One of the stylists just took some of their belongings. Awesome. Bye, love you. I'm really making sure that we get in the drawers, emptying everything out. See, like, all of these open containers need to go too. I'll keep the dressings because usually if people bring in the dressings, they bring them to last them throughout the week. But like opened up beverages and Starbucks, all of that. Water bottles, we dispose of. So as I'm cleaning, I kind of like to organize and like consolidate all the dressings to one shelf, just so it's more photo ready and everybody can find everything better. It's better to end Saturday with a clean break room, so that way we start off next week on the best note possible. Which was the water that we keep up front, the dressings and condiments, and then also the orange juice that's used for our mimosas, because that's a salon thing that we keep. But nobody's personal items, no team members' personal items are kept in the fridge over the weekend. We will leave things in the freezer, and the stylists deal with those on their own unless it's like a holiday that we clear everything out. And then the next step is taking your Windex, your washcloth, and getting, most importantly, Lysol wipes, because if you think about it, you definitely want to disinfect everything. So I like to start with first Windexing. This is super important, keeping the fridge really nice. This fridge is relatively new, so we want to keep it that way. Okay guys, so this is what a wiped down fridge looks like. Everything's wiped out, there's no leftover spills, anything like that. Just 2 key components to really remember is taking a Lysol wipe and really wiping down the handles of the fridge, the base of it, working your way on both sides, but I'll show you on this side. And then I'm going to also, super important, is taking this, bringing it under the hot water, really rinsing it off. Taking some paper towels, drying it really good. And before I place it back on, I'm gonna make sure that there's no leftover water down here. So I'm using this paper towel, really drying it up. And then I'm gonna place this back where it lives.